Okay, so this is Copilot from Microsoft. Now, I understand this is one of those areas that you would say, but isn't that the same as Microsoft Edge, whatever they want to call their AI? It is and it is not, because this one here is using some plugins to reach a few other things. That, yes, the plugins, besides the search, there's Instacart, Klarna, and all that, which seems quite sponsored because it's all shopping, but it has this one right here, Suno. I'm gonna click new topic, turn Suno on. Now, Suno on itself is a song generating platform. Yes, I mean a full song. The quality and the bitrate and all that, yeah, it is not exactly studio quality. Don't expect that. But it is so beautiful that you can actually generate an entire song, even though on Copilot is limited to around 45 seconds, 30 to 45. It is able to create an entire song with intro, with chorus, with drums, with bass, with everything you would want. Now, I'm gonna try to create a song here with you and see how that actually sounds. This will be very interesting because I'm seeing some advancements lately on AI regarding generating music, generating video, photo, and I believe this is for good. This is nothing bad to be expected from it, but I have another theory, or what I think will happen with the music industry after the AI's advancements are coming in loads. Let's generate a song first, hear the song, then we will talk. Just a sec. Let's generate a song. Generate a song with Suno about life in jeopardy. In EDM style. I don't know what this is gonna be about, but let's see if it loads Suno. It should say creating with Suno, so we will have to wait for that if it ever wants to generate. Yep. Okay, it's using Suno. When you see the Suno sign right here, you know it's trying to create an actual song, not only the lyrics. So let's see what kind of song it comes up with. This one was EDM. Looks like the lyrics are already heartbeat rushing, adrenaline pumping through my veins. My senses high alert. My mind is overdrive. It sounds okay. Okay. Cheesy and okay at the same time. So let's wait. Probably takes 20-30 seconds. Oh, already done. Just like that. Let's listen to the song really quick. Then we'll be back and see how that sounds and what we think about it. Now, before you adjust your headphones or speakers, no, it was not your headphones with a problem, it was the track. And that's to my next point, why this will not replace a music producer or a DJ or a singer or songwriter or any of that. Because, as you heard here, it sounds like it's being played on some scratchy, old, cheap headphones from the 90s. And the words are not all pronounced well because it starts with beat rushing. So yeah, if you didn't read the text here in front of you, you probably have a 75% chance to not understand what the singer was saying, or the AI was saying in this case. And throughout the whole thing, it sounds like a hissing AM radio that is not having a good signal. So will these be able to be used for anything? In my opinion, no. No, and it's next to impossible to even polish it in post-production or master it or anything, because it's next to impossible to create stems out of it to some point. Because let's say you create stems, you get the voice, you get the drums, you get the synth, you get all that, but all of them separately are equally as bad as all together. And yes, I tried to recreate the stems and to isolate vocals and all that. It just sounds, it sounds bad. This, I think, is only good for example, if you're a producer or singer or music maker or whatnot, to kind of get inspiration. So you get a topic that you're interested in and you kind of give it a few prompts to generate some songs or some music that in your mind you think sounds good, and you feed it to either directly here on Copilot or Suno, and Suno will let you do more, but it's a monthly payment thing, so yeah, it goes back to the subscriptions. Of course, we're becoming famous now in 2024, but besides that point, it is really hard to say that this will replace singers, songwriters, or any artist in the near future, at least for the lifespan of mine. And God willing, I have quite a lot of years left ahead of me, so yeah, inspirationally, yes, absolutely you can use it in a pinch as background music in your videos since it's copyright free. Probably you could do that, but to create an album, to do a remix, mashup, know that, I would not say so unless you're doing some kind of techno that you want to use that scratchy sound bites as inserts. Probably there's kind of an open door, I would say, in that section, but keep in mind it will be really hard to distinguish between good quality and just something to slap on the internet. And that's coming from somebody that likes music. I'm not gonna say that I'm a great music producer, DJ, or any of that. Yes, you can check my other music channel and probably you will like some and hate some. That's up to you. But when it comes to AI generated music, it is not there yet. It is far away because music is one of those things that when you're producing a track, you have so many variations that you go through. And yes, when I use, for example, that I make music myself for fun sometimes on Fruity Loop Studio, there are times that literally I would spend 4 hours, for example, making a track with vocals and all that, and I have to scratch it all, because then I found a new idea, a new tune that probably would go way better with that vocal, and here goes 3-4 hours of work, boom, to the bin. Now, obviously, I saved the project just in case, but you see what I'm trying to say here. Art and music and video making and all that stuff is not simply that you click, it will be generated fast and it will be great. No, because it does not have the human touch in it at all. It is disconnected from what we see as real and good and pleasurable and enjoyable completely, because this was made by a microchip. Yeah. A collection of microchips transported through hair-thin lines of fibers to your microchip in your computer, then from it being converted through that chip into screens that you see, and then from those screens you click a button that's a few pixels that is then converted into sounds, and those sounds better have to be right on the dot or people are not gonna like it. And just as I said, this one here just sounds like no, I would not touch it with a 10-foot pole because it's not that good. Now, can I go through a few more attempts and variations? Yeah, I could probably reach something semi-decent, but to say that it will replace producers, DJs, singers, songwriters and all that, absolutely not. Nope, I don't even see it for the near future, and it will be quite easy for people to tell what's AI generated and what's human generated, because yes, you might say maybe my parents and grandparents cannot tell, but don't forget, they are not the ones who are that much interested in this music and this stuff to begin with. It is mostly us and the ones after us that are mostly interested in this stuff. So we are already learning it. So if you're a 90s kid like me, yeah, you kind of know, you know what's going on. We are into it. Yeah, we played Nintendos and all that stuff. So it's not that we grew up playing, I don't know, balls and sticks. Yeah, we played those too, but it was kind of fading away. We came into know Nokia, Motorola, and all that stuff quite in our early stages of our lives. So we kind of dipped our toes in those kind of technological waters quite early. So in our kind of late teen years, we already had technology. So if you get what I'm saying, and I hope that makes sense, this AI stuff, yeah, it would probably swindle a few people when the AI generating stuff will come around, know that, which is already here. But we are still around to tell them that, yeah, it was all fake. It was all a lie. And it is our duty. Yeah, let's say my 90-year-old grandma doesn't understand that that video is computer generated. It is my duty to tell her. So it does with all of you, and it goes into a chain reaction. So now our parents and grandparents are learning more about it, so they see every new piece of information and technology with a doubt, just like we do. So nobody will fall for it. So I will say it is a good thing happening for the creative side of things and to probably generate new ideas for us. And yes, there is ways to monetize with AI, to make money with AI, and I highly suggest and urge all of you to learn, start learning, get a grasp on it for how money could be made with it. Yes, there's beautiful ways to make money. I'm not a big money channel probably, so I cannot really tell you concrete ways how to make money with AI, but there are ways. So go ahead, use it for what it is, and make AI work for you. Don't let AI and the information around it scare you. Nothing is doom and gloom, nothing is wrong, and nothing will be wrong. Just use it to benefit you. Don't let it steamroll over. That's all I have to say. And with that said, I hope you liked this video. I hope it made sense. And if it didn't make sense, well, I'm here to respond to comments. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Please hit like and subscribe, and bye!